Now, when we talk about this subject of profiles in Photoshop, oftentimes there's a lot of confusion between the two processes called convert or assign a profile. So let's take a look at the differences between those two processes, and we come up to Edit, drop down to Color Settings. Let's start there, and we see we're in the ProPhoto workspace, which is what we should be, and we are preserving the embedded profile, which of course, as you well know, is the ProPhoto RGB workspace. All right. Now, the first process we're going to go through is, just to show you, is assign profile. Now, the working color space and profile in this case so far is the ProPhoto RGB. Now, I've got the Moab Juniper Beretta Rag profile installed here so that we can assign the profile to this file, which is not what you want to do. But let's take a look at how it changes the image. I mean, that's obviously horrible, and what this is doing, it's kind of a complicated process. I'm not sure I fully understand it myself, and I've done tons of research on this, but basically what it's doing is it's putting window dressing on the display. It's not actually changing the numbers behind what you're seeing on the screen. Assigning the profile is putting the profile into the display instructions instead of actually burying it within the image itself. And this is bad. You're not going to get anything out of this. This is a train wreck. You don't want to do this. So let's back out. Let's show you how to do it properly. And what you do is come to Edit, Convert to Profile. Now we've got the destination space, and we click on the drop-down list, and we go up to all of our printer paper combination profiles. I'm going to scroll down to the Moab and pick up that Juniper Beretta Rag profile and click on it. And you'll notice no change in the image, and that's as it should be. Now, what has happened is that the convert to profile process has actually changed the numerical numbers of the RGB values to match the RGB values that came into the image. I know that's probably clear as mud, but that's the way I understand it. Again, I admit that I don't fully understand the mathematics behind this, but trust me when I tell you, do not use assign profile. You want to do convert to profile. Then you hit OK. Now what has happened is that paper printer profile is installed into this image, and you do your adjustments from here, whatever you want to do. You might want to put a vignette on here or crop it or what have you. Whatever it is, go ahead and finish your processing, export it as a ProPhoto TIFF, and then you're going to send it to the lab. So once again, convert, not assign your profile in Photoshop.